Well, we spoke today to Sunil Singhania to understand his view on the market run up, whether the bull market rally is here to stay, what he makes of valuation sectors, and where you can really look to invest. Now, he is of the view that in the long run, the right investment obviously pays off, but right now, the markets are not looking cheap. The future, though, is looking very bright, according to Sunil Singhania, and he believes that, in December 2020, March 2021 earnings, essentially in the upcoming quarter, that can continue to be a huge surprise in a big way. So he's seeing a lot of earnings optimism, essentially, which will perhaps drive the market growth. Considering the interest rate scenario, he believes that the price to equity, though, for the markets will remain a bit elevated. So as of now, his advice is that the equity markets are not about the past, but they are about the future. So there will be optimism in the markets for those who look at the long term. Remember, there have been lots of COVID concerns, but Sunil Singhania is of the view that the strain on the markets due to COVID will gradually come down, and that will largely be seen in the Q3, Q4 numbers. Even despite the low interest rate regime, as I said, he believes that the PE will continue to look elevated. Now, where is it that he's seeing opportunity in this market? He believes that there is a lot of interest within the digital space, and that theme is likely to continue. So he's going to be betting on sectors like IT, digital, and pharma. And he believes that there is a lot of competitiveness in India within the IT as well as within the pharma basket, but there is opportunity for growth as well. Particularly in the unlisted space, he says the India digital theme continues to look strong. He also is of the view that this interest that we're seeing in digital is going to continue, and he believes that the PLI scheme as well for manufacturing is going to come as a huge positive. The China Plus One strategy as well is going to drive long-term growth in India, and he believes that right now is the time to have a diversified portfolio. It's very important, and the capex is only going to pick up after about 5 to 10 years of limited investment. The prices of commodities as well, according to Sunil, has risen worldwide. Steel prices have been high, and that is definitely going to impact balance sheets of companies. But the PLI scheme has incentivized sectors like electronics in India, and he says he prefers to invest in companies that have the ability to manage their debt. India, he believes, is turning out to be a good exporter of building materials. Branded firms as well within the tier 2 and 3 cities he thinks are doing well. He believes that the CPaaS is going to be a huge thing going forward, and that essentially digital is going to last for a long time. He believes that an investor definitely needs the ability to evolve with time, and that is crucial even when it comes to picking out some of these digital stroke IT related firms. And during corrections in the broader market, he says during corrections the broader markets rather tend to correct a little bit more, but it's all about earnings and earnings revival, and unless you take risks, returns cannot be made.